Let me make my picture smaller because this, or I can go like that. There you go. Alright, so let's see. I know, let me get it all together. You caught the same trade? Okay, good. I see Ellie, Melissa. You guys see that thing that I just posted in the chat? I was watching some news, so. Come on. Gotta get this running right here. Lower this down. Okay. At 6, oh, even better, 682. Yeah, I was watching the news. I was like, let's get it on, baby. Good morning, TikTok people. All right. Happy day. So no, I was watching some news. So they're like for like a longer term accounts, like CoreWeave. Yeah, that's what it is. It's just the real orders, but right now it's pre-market. So let's see. We already have some questions. You take anything yet? Yeah, I have the trade on right now. I don't know if it's gonna let me take it to the basically a break even. I don't know if it's gonna let me take it to the open or not, but we'll see what happens. Oh, there you go. I might have to trim it. You guys see it? Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Good morning, Woodlex. I should give you some Lithuanian name right here where you see TikTok chart is a little bit not big enough to see the book map, and I can't pull it too much because I don't want to show my accounts. It's a real life account right here going on. Good morning. How many did you go in? Just one micro. Yeah, micro girl. NDX long June 2027 calls inputs. So are you doing the straddle or what are you doing? Yeah, I think I'm gonna choke it because I will not be paying attention and someone is gonna ask me a question. Usually the question contains if I'm married or not married. You're looking at Keo? Yeah, I was watching that. I'm very happy for you. Okay, so Woodlex, I could text you too, but I was watching the news. They said for long term, a lot of healthcare. It's really good, and CoreWeave, IBB, which is part of the and SoFi, and I know it's a lot of words. So if you want, I can text you that too. Bros, right? Bros are good to get in right now for long term. So let me know if you want me to text you that. Alrighty, so we're screenshotting this, right? Okay. Yep, try my stop. Thank you, Art. Because it's the top of the hour before the open, and we don't want to get my butt kicked. I just hope, well, I guess the reason that I'm doing a little bit wider stop is because I want to take it to the open, but I think we're just going to take the money, honey. There you go. Happy day, yes. Okay, I'll text you. Those are more like for long term, kind of like swings, couple months kind of swings. Yeah, Melissa, you get to see it in the chat too. And Woodlex, I'll text you. If I forget, let me know. I will text you. Good morning, Laura. We're talking about long term. How did your Nokia do? Did you check the charts on Nokia?
I didn't get to. I had a classic holiday, but all good.
Yeah, just look at your phone. Like even if you just Google it, like I think Nokia is NOK, and then look it up, and then put like 4-hour chart, 1-hour chart, and that's all. You just look for 1 second, and that's it. Yeah.
Okay, 1 second.
Yeah. No, I mean just for yourself. And then, you know, even if you don't know what you're looking at, we can help you. Illy here, she has that stock broke down. She knows that stock really well. Yeah.
Wow. Okay, great.
Yeah, it's
Okay,
just for
I'll take a
study.
look.
Yeah. It's just for the study purpose, because what
Yeah,
I'm trying to
sure.
do for you guys to give you the memory, like the muscle memory that we all need, is to keep practicing and practicing and practicing and seeing. And once we see the same things, then in like 2 years, a year, whatever, you'll be like, okay, I'll go in. We have, Laura, we have another Lithuanian here, with Lex. He is really, really good trader too. So we have a good team going. All right, screenshot time, because I need,
Awesome.
I need to show off you guys. And when I post the charts, all you have to do is just look at it. Just look at it, and then you start seeing the same things. First, it might not make sense at all, and then eventually it will make sense. Alrighty, so let's see. So yeah, so the meta is good. So I think, what's the Microsoft? Oh, okay, so the CoreWeave is a sympathy play for Microsoft. So if you look at CoreWeave, that's, you have the extra cash sitting. Just saying. I know right now the accounts are down because we've been having a difficult time with the market, so it depends. You can put some money on it. Not a financial advice, right? Never financial advice. Well, good morning, fam. Never not financial advice yet. Let's just leave it at that. Okay, so we're gonna put in Q. Okay. It's okay, Dick Queen. We're learning right now, so we'll be ready. All right. So yesterday when I said drum roll, please, did you guys understood what level I reached? Yep. Okay, Dick Queen, you can, like, we could send your charts without like showing any personal stuff, like this, the charts. Yeah, see what Ellie's saying. You're like, we can compare charts. That's why I have like the stock chat thingy. You can go on TradingView and mark your entry, and you know, we all have bad entries. I have bad entries. I have things that I need to work it out. And I told you, if people say they don't, they lying to you. Right? Yeah, they are lying. I'll bet my husband 401k. You don't want to know the amounts that is down there. It's just they will lie to you too. Like, we all have a pullback. Just like, okay, the market had a pullback, but your account didn't have a pullback. Come on, like, you know. So they're lying. So don't, social media. They're all pretty things. So social media, actually, the reason that it's successful, it creates envy. So people are envy, and envy creates a negativity, right? So that's why social media is good, because people keep rubbing in your face. Look at me, I have this. Look at me, I did this. Look at me, I made this. So, ooh, screenshot time. I'm gonna do this on social media. I'd be like, look how much I made with 1 micro. Huh. But market pullbacks are great. Exactly. So once you've been in this for a long time, market pullbacks are amazing. Because, you know, grandpa's got in so late, like long time ago, and now we have a chance to get in. Right? Okay, I'm choking up. That's it. I'm gonna leave that. What is the NQ chat? Okay. Toro, follow me. Thank you so much. We uploading some, always my screenshots just for the study purposes. Never to show off. Well, I have to show off on social media because that's the only way to attract people, right? Yep. Right at the reject right here. That where's your order block? What price you have it at? Gee, how do you read the chart? That's like 10 years of experience. It's hard. So there's a lot of technical things, but I am the good old-fashioned girl that support resistance, fair value gap, like there's just a lot. So I do the top-down analysis, right? Right, there's a top-down analysis. Like we can help you, G, if you want to come over. Like we have a huge team, winning team, right? So we have a winning team and everybody's here will jump in to help you. Just takes time and experience, but you're more than welcome to join. And we all here holding each other's hand when we down, right? Yep. Elisa's coming over to the winning team. And I know on TikTok screen is smaller so you can't see, but what you see right here, a little bit more, there will be the book map. Yeah. Are you looking for shorts? I just got out of a long, so I need to recalculate it. So it takes me a second to recalculate my moves. I calculated this move to break out of here, of the point of control. I saw some orders in the book map, so I took this long. Yeah, I just took this long. I took a screenshot, but I have to, let me see, I can show you, I guess. Let me see. My screenshots. My IT guy has all my screenshots organized. Let's see. That should be this one. All right. Can you see that? Can you see my entry? And we're good. And that's the entry. You see a break off the point of control. How many years you trade? Officially, like 6 or 7. Unofficially, a little bit longer. Melissa sent a superfan box. 1 viewer can open. What is that, Melissa? Help us out. That's cool. She knows her social media stuff. We love the IT guy. Yes. He's like, Mom, this is chapter 1, this is chapter 2, chapter 3 in the file of lesson 1. I'm like, okay, can I just record? He's like, no. You know. So break it down for us. Yep, he's breaking it down. So I think by the end of August, I will have a course. What's up, people? We took it right. By the end of August, we'll have a course about breaking down the simple things, and will be available for the winning team. I'm only gonna have snippets for like general public without trying to say the Y word. And so the course, the goal is by the end of August. I will try to accomplish it faster. So have those videos explaining EMAs, SMA, why EMA, why SMA, what's the difference, what is a VWAP, right? Simple stuff, but I think we really need that. What do you guys think? Melissa says yes, so important. Looking forward to, yeah. So Laura, I hope you had the chance. Yes, right. So it's on my to-do list. It's just summer is so hard. But I'm already working on it. Yes. Yeah, I'm already working on it. You guys know the problem with being perfectionist, like you can't just do it. You just can't just do it. Yeah. Yeah. It's just when I'm gonna do something, it's gonna be the best that I can, right? So that being said, all the little clips that I've been like doing the teasers for the general public, my public service, because I'm a giver, you have to give. That's how I've been taught. Right? So for my public service, I'll do a little snippet. And then for the winning family, we'll be do a full breakdown. So probably, 15, 20, 30 minutes on each. Yep. Yep. Our church notes we have to give. We have to give back. There's so much already at the same info. Yeah, of course there is a lot of them. You don't have to watch it. So that's, I don't know, G, if you're new to me, we only do kind stuff here unless we only positive. And trading is already hard. So I'm creating a space where only positivity exists, even if I'm in the negative. So even if we're in the negative, we still support and cheer each other up. That being said, I'm a baseball mom. I know you knew, so I will just tell you. It's fun to tell. I'm a baseball mom. I give 3 chances, and because English is my second language, sometimes I might misunderstood your comments. So I will tell you when you're in a strike 2, and then after strike 3, yeah, that's how we roll. Not directly at you, but I'm just letting you know how we roll here, right? That being said, yes, all that information is on YouTube, but why is my team wanting this? Why my team is craving the simple information? That might tell you something. I feel it out what people need, what people want, and how can I help you? My goal is to help you, to help people, right? So I see the big need in this, and I've been cooking something up for my team, and you don't have to watch, no, you have to join. Yes, and they can find all that, right? And they can find all that for free, but somehow they wanted to hear from me, whatever it is. Okay, we good. We got that out, the disclaimers out of the way. All right, I also lost my notes on the stock finder. We'll go over it. Okay, we good. Good morning, TikTok people. I see around 50 of you. I really appreciate you. I was shadow banned, and now I am really, really happy that I get to share my trading journey with my people. 15 minutes till the open. Please ask any questions. Yes, R, I see that. Yep, I'll try to answer all of it while watching the market. I have a couple things. Did NQ take out the Asia low? R, can you answer that? Did we take out? He watches the Asia lows too. Did we take out the Asia low, R, or no? Someone is asking. No, the answer is no. And R brought up this iron. Okay. All right. So I already took the trade. I know Emma just joining. No. Okay. And Alyssa and R says no. So R posted this. Remember, he is really respectful, very kind, and all that. And he gets approval. If R is posting something in the chat, 99% of the time is done run by me, right? So let's look at it, what he posted it. They're not gonna show us pre-market, are they? Look at that. So the pre-market is already at 32. All right. It's already up 10% and 11% in pre-market. Bang. And he was inquiring about that, what, a day, a two ago, or was it a day or two? Trader Sense Pro, thank you. Yeah. That's why I have like a whole team. I can't watch everything, so that the team is pretty awesome. Boom. Exactly. Right? Yep, you forgot to ask for permission. Right? How beautiful it is. The crazy lady in the back. Yes. So yeah. So there we go. That's a pre-market. That's even, yeah, just ask for forgiveness. Yes. We joke with because we from Lithuania the same. We used to have a strict teacher, so I'm his strict teacher. And he said something really nice to me yesterday. I don't know if you want me to share or not what you told me yesterday. We can keep it private. Yeah. He listens because he's used to listening to strict teachers. I'm his strict teacher. See, I have no regrets that I'm out of the trade. Not at all. No regrets. No regrets at all. Yeah. You can share. So just a little snippet. That it was that his consistency improved so much. That's the only part that I was going to share. Like, he's a credible trader. He's a really good trader. He has studied a lot. He has made a lot of money. You know, prop firms made it, lost it, and all that. But one fact that I would like to share is that he could not have more than, that's his words, 2 days green consistency. That doesn't mean that he cannot make money or get payouts. That's not what I'm going. So I think it was a very beautiful sentence that he shared with me, that it's not that his trading, and he is a good trader, but something that clicked with him that really helped him to be consistent. So I'm very, very proud of him. And now he's our Asia guy, right? So thank you for trusting me. Big Tita just gave me a heart. Magic word. So me being the strict teacher, me the Lithuanian teacher, right? That's what it was. That's what it was, right? Okay, so now it's hard to take a trade, right, guys? So we took this trade. I posted the screenshot. I'm still seeing the news. They talk about Meta being down. And yeah. May the markets be easy today. Yes, we all can may the markets be easy. We're in the earnings season. And no, not, I think after this week, everyone needs to charming queen in their corner. Thank you. You listen, right? So you listen, you were open, and the same thing with R. He's an incredible trader. He knows more words than I do in trading, but something clicked, right? My next project is Arena. The Queen is getting there too. They just have a different journey, but the Arena is my next project. Laura is a beginner, so we'll get her set up too. Okay. Any questions? Yes. Any questions for anybody? The book map is dizzy, I know. And it's he's gonna get faster as soon as the market opens. So we still have more orders at 868, but it's pre-market, they can get pulled. And also at 831, which I think that's what you're going to get at 831 first. Can you guys see that? Good morning, Roger. Yes, we took a trade. You want to see the screenshot? I love showing off. Because, I'm a show off. So let's see. Can you see that, Roger? Right here, that's my trade. My entry was 774 with 1 micro, $200. Not a show off. See, she gets my in between jokers, in between the lines. So yeah, Roger, that's my receipt. Like Ellie said, that's my receipt. That's my trade. I don't know what I got stuffed out, but my entry was 774. Yeah. Okay. So right now it's hard for me to take a trade, right? Because it is pre-market. The point of control already moved. We roll this up. They kick me out, which is fine. We have 8 minutes till opens. Yep. Yes, receipts. Like my video. Did you guys flexing? Yes. Did you guys see my video of 30 seconds of receipts? The receipts I got that were from Ellie. It was a little bit spicy. It's a little bit not much as me because I try to be kind, humble, and all sassy, spicy and sassy. I don't do many spicy, sassy videos, but that one was. It was like, the TikTok chose my song. I was like, yeah, sassy and spicy. I'm like, let's do it. You guys don't see that side of me. I guess sassy is the better word, Ellie, or spicy. Yep, see, they're going to see my brain. Can you guys see that? 8:30, can you see that? Can you see that pullback? Flexing. I just want to celebrate. And that's why I put in a bragging room. For me, bragging is not the money I make. For me, it's that my team is doing really good. And yeah, for me, it's like you guys doing good. Yeah, we'll find the correct word, yes. But can you guys see the draw to like the 8:30 right here? The bigger order? They haven't pulled it. See, they pull up some, they pull some out, they pull some out, they keep putting. So they're ghosting the orders. So now the 8:55, it's not as big as the 8:31. So I think they're going to go to get the 8:31. Okay, Big Vitas is giving me presents. There's a Lithuanian guy right over there. All right, any questions for anybody so far? Well, 7 minutes till open. We're not gonna trade the trade. We're not gonna get chopped off. We're watching Bookmap a little bit, and I'm here for anybody can answer anything. I mentioned, yeah, this is so crazy. It's visual DOM. So like it's a visual DOM. So the DOM, you know, moves up and down. It's hard for me. This one moves like long ways that I get to see the orders, right? So the orders, you'll see when it opens. Yeah. So the orders, when it moves, when the market opens, the tape, it gets crazy, right? So you could slow it down or make it faster. Depends how much you want it. You'll see the difference. Do a video on this. Yeah, it's, see the order that we talked about it. They grabbed it. They grabbed it while I was talking. Can you guys see that? The order got wiped out at 8:35 and the 8:50 because this is. I appreciate that, Fusco. Yeah. Um, humble one HB says, I don't like when it opens above London Asia high. Yeah, because it's already like stretched out, right? So it's kind of, it depends what trader you are. Like I am a reversal trader, so if it's a continuation day, it's a little bit harder for me to find it. What ticker? I know there's a lot of things on the screen, but it is MNQ. We trade 1 micro. Yeah, Mandalosian high, yes. So like Ellie says, that would be continuation from London. Yeah. Okay, for 6 minutes. So the winning team, you guys can see, I'll slow it down. It goes faster, but you can see how they grabbed that order? The big order got grabbed. So what is market? Why is it pushing right now? You see all these orders over there, right? Why is it pushing, right? So this is the tip. When people say you are reading, yep, there you go. Thank you, Eileen. See, my winning team note is the same thing all the time at the same time of the day. So what we're watching right here, it is the tape. This the actual real orders. With prop firms, you know, we trade stimulation and all that. I understand you guys used to that, but this is a real deal right here. Yeah. Yep. 4 minutes to open. I got 17 people to follow. I'm so close to my goal of followers on TikTok. So thank you so much, everyone, for follow. I said my goal is to have half what Melissa has. Yeah, thank you. I don't know. I'm too busy liking TikTok. We're gonna get this. We're gonna get this. I have a couple things that I'm cooking up for us, for the team, but maybe we'll do this after I'll announce it. But so now you see we have the 250. We're gonna grab it. Almost. What I meant is 850, sorry. Yep, see? Done, eat it. Did you guys see that? Yeah. Did you guys see that? Yeah. Yeah, so close to the goal, yeah. Yeah, Melissa helps me with my social media. It's my social media manager. Yeah. Yeah, you don't have to answer now, but I was wondering, like, because like, okay, so the fruit company, like in the Forrest Gump, the fruit company do not trade M and Q, and then your video says trading you're even AI when you're running it says you better with trading M and Q. How is that gonna go over? Or they do not caught up with all that. The other fruit company. Hello, Abraham. Abraham? Abraham? Yeah. Yeah. We can, you don't have to answer, but I was just wondering about it. Yeah, I don't think, but I was just like, okay, if anybody like really knows the insight, right? I'm like, because I know like you in a tough position, you know, you are walking. I don't want. I like that you're being yourself. I guess I was trying to give you a compliment. Abraham. Okay. So I was trying to give you a compliment because you're like, okay, like I am trading this and I'm getting more success in this, but yet the other food company doesn't do that. So maybe only I can catch up to details. Maybe people don't pay as much attention, but I mean that was yeah. Yeah, could be. No, I'm just saying you that was a ballsy move. That's awesome though. You being yourself. And that was meant to be a compliment. Like, I like strong girls. I like strong women. I like strong women. I support a lot of strong women and I try to raise one. So, okay. Please don't mislead viewers. Share responsible analysis and encourage proper risk management. Totally correct, Maria. Yes. Yeah. No, I think it is. I think it is. So I just want to congratulate you and in the most positive way. Mm. So I don't know people at the other, yeah, I don't know if other people at the fruit company did not pay attention to this, but I was like, wow, good for you. Yeah, and then Big Pita says TikTok is risky regardless. Like should never get financial advice from TikTok. Who's ready? There we go. Let's see the push. All right. Any questions from TikTok people? Are we good? Alrighty then. So I'll see you all the people on